like a pro, like a pro. Yeah, I'm trading like a pro, like a pro, like a pro. Making profit like a pro,
like a pro. Gonna let them know. Bank on the phone, no, I don't need a loan, cause I'm trading like a pro.
we getting paid, we getting paid, we getting paid, huh? Stacking that money from the trades, huh?
Ay, we getting paid, we getting paid, we getting paid. Stacking that money, I'ma teach you how to trade like a pro.
What's up, y'all? This your boy Jay Wayne, you know, representing Team Take Profits. I just got done doing an office tour walkthrough, and if you missed it, definitely check it out. My last video, I'll link it up here at the top. Definitely check that video out, just to kind of see the space that you guys can actually come to, book a session, come get education, trade live during London. Like, we really do this. We have nothing to hide. We built everything that we have on integrity, and it's a firm foundation. But I wanted to talk about overcoming your fear in trading. All right, overcoming that fear to just jump in and pull the trigger. Jump in, enter the trade. And real quick, it's somebody on my team that triggered this question, all right, that triggered this video. And I feel like I wanted to share it with you all as well. So real quick, I'm gonna take a clip of that. One of my live class sessions that I have on Tuesdays at 7 p.m. Eastern. Real student, one of my great students asked a great question. All right, check it out.
One of my main problem is, like, for instance, last night I sent out a trade, but what I do, I try to beat you to the setup to see if my one connect with yours, which my one about 7 pips out. But my problem is this: the trade setting up is winning, but yet still is like I'm free to take the trade. And like when I wake up in the morning, everything wins. You know?
You said you're scared to enter into the trade?
Yeah, because I'm marking up the zone, trade line, whatever, but I'm not taking the trade. Sometimes I sit there watching the trade, winning, I'm not in.
Well, that's normal. That's normal. But we do gotta get up out of that. The first thing, my bro, Ronald, is you have to simulate your trade setups, the way that you mark up your charts. You have to simulate it in demo. I mean, like, you have to simulate it on TradingView. You have to do it at the same time. You trade London. Do you wake up for London or New York or what?
London.
Do you know how to
anything that you guys do? That's exactly what I do.
Do you know how to put the sessions on your chart, the sessions indicator?
Yeah, I do all of that when I'm back tested.
Okay, so you do that. So you only trade London when you back tested.
Yeah.
Do you take those trades in London and get them right? I mean, when you're back testing, do you take those trades and get them right, or you kind of be half and half?
Well, most of the time I get them right.
You gotta break through, bro. You gotta break through.
It's like I can't lose. I always win, but yet still I'm not taking the trade.
You said you can't lose?
No, what I'm saying is this: when I do the trade setup, it always get my take profit. But when I'm supposed to go live, I'm not doing it.
Yeah, it's just a mental block, huh?
Yeah, the few live trade that I take, I won them.
It's a mental block there. It's just a fear. So what I tell the team is we can't trade out of scarcity. We got to trade out of abundance. You got to go in there, locked in, meditate, go do a pre-game plan at 12 o'clock before we send out the trade setup or whatever. I want you to visualize your trade setup. I can sit here right now, bro, be sitting right here, right? Okay, I got to mark my zone up. I want to find a supply and demand zone. I'm seeing it, bro. I'm seeing it. Okay, that's supply and demand zone. Okay, now I mark my zone up. I'm gonna check it with the pivots. I'm gonna make sure that I ain't gonna got a surprise. I'm gonna make sure there's no surprise there. So I'm gonna look at the pivots. Okay, is there a trend line available? Is there like a triangle pattern it's trying to break out of? I'm visualizing this. Okay, when it starts approaching my sell zone or the trend line, I want to look at the currency heat wave. Okay, currency heat wave is good. USD is strong. It's about to drop. I'm taking the sell. I've seen it happen over and over and over. You see how I'm telling myself this. Yeah. That's me trading out of abundance. That's an example of trading out of abundance. Another example, because we have to talk about mindset right now, because that's what it is. It's not even nothing about the charts that I can show you, because you already know how to mark it up. So now we're talking about the mindset. Another way of trading out of abundance is saying, I back tested this 1,000 times. I seen this thing work over and over. If I follow my rules, I'm okay with that. If I take a L, because I know when I follow my rules, the stop loss is just on the other side of the zone. Okay, I might take an L. That's part of trading. You have to accept the loss. You have to accept you losing money. Once you can get over the fact that it's a possibility that I may walk out of this with negative $10, then you start walking in abundance. Because what are you really scared of? You're not scared that you're gonna make money. You're scared that you might lose the money.
Yeah.
You have to say, I have abundance. My trading skill set is abundance. I know what I'm looking for. If you don't know what you're looking for, then you got to go back test 10 more thousand hours. You got to back test 1,000 more hours. But if at this point you know what you're looking for and you've seen it happen, bro, lower the lot size. Lower the lot size. Get your feet wet, maybe 10 trades, my bro. 10 trades with just a 50 cent or 10 cent lot size. Just see yourself win. See yourself pull it off. Take and somebody was trying to go back and forth in the comments in the community earlier, but take minimum goal, 15, 20 pips. That's not the goal. It says on my trade setup, 15, 20 pips minimum. That's for beginners. People like you. I'm not saying you're a beginner at trading. I'm just saying to our methods. So take 15, 20 pips with a 10 cent lot size to say, you know what? I did it. I did it. I know what it feels like. Okay, that's what it was like. Okay, I can do it. Then go up to maybe 20 cents, 30 cents, and eventually you will be at the lot size you need to be at, and it'll just be a regular routine. But hopefully you understand, because I'm telling you, that is what you need to do, bro. Lower the lot size.
Yeah, I lowered it the other day. You know, and when I think it was Tuesday night, and I win again, right? Because the trade setup is not the problem, because I know the breakout, I know the retest, I know to read the heat wave. So I guess it's just to enter the trade.
Christine is right in the comments. She said using a 10 cent lot size. A 10 cent lot size ain't gonna make us no money. You know, maybe $2, $3. Even if you catch 100 pips, you're only gonna have $10. You know what I'm saying? So it's not going to change our lives, but it's going to help you. It's going to position you, and it's going to push you off the edge into this trading market and say, I can do this. So whatever it takes for you to just get pushed off the edge and go for it, we got to go for it. Because look, I ain't gonna lie to you. I took what trade did I take? GU. I took GU trade this morning when I sent the trade setup out. I followed all of my rules, bro. At the end of the day, I still can take a loss. You have to go for it. You just have to go for it. And I'm going for it with $200 lot size. I'm the one should be scared. I should be, but I'm not, because I'm numb to it. Because I started with 10 cents. I started with 20. I paid my dues. Then I went to $1. I went to $5, so and so and so. So I became numb to it. I need you to get numb to it. Don't get numb to it to the point where you just get numb to like losing money. I'm just saying, get used to that lot size, get used to getting into the market, get used to the manipulation. I mean, not the manipulations, but the fluctuations. Just get used to it. So 10 cent lot size, bro, I'm telling you. And then you would know when to go up, okay?
Okay, bro, give that. I'm
telling you, you're going to trade out of abundance, not scarcity anymore.
We cannot trade in scarcity. We cannot trade out of scarcity. All right. My great mentor taught me that, and I'm gonna teach you guys that. We have to trade with abundance. We have to know what we do. Look, guys, somebody in the NBA said, actually it was LeBron James. He said, you know, I'm not scared for the moment. I'm not scared of the moment of the NBA finals. I'm not scared because I prepared for it. All right, I don't have a bunch of nerves because I prepared for it. And I want you guys to think about it. Are you really prepared for that moment when you wake up 3 a.m. in the morning, or for London session, or 9 a.m. or 8 a.m. for New York session? Are you prepared for the moment? You feel me? It's more than just saying, hey, I got my trade set up, marked up. Everything is looking good. I know where my potential entry, stop loss, and take profit is. It's more than that. Are you prepared for the moment? Okay, that means whatever your trade setup is, the way that you like to trade, have you back tested that a couple hundred times, 5,000 times, like whatever it is? I'm not over exaggerating. Like, back test it, get your 10,000 hours in back testing as quick as you can and as thoroughly and detailed as you can. You feel me? Are you really prepared for it? So when the time comes, you don't have all of these nerves and you're scared. You should have had already doubled your demo account. If you I don't think people really understand what I'm saying. I don't think you really doubled your demo account. People are like, maybe make some wins, make a few losses, make some wins, and they're really getting small wins in their demo account. Because if you actually doubled your demo account using risk management, following your rules, do you know how powerful that is? Do you know how much discipline you had to have to do that? You feel me? So are you truly prepared? Like I said in the video, lower the lot size so you can jump in. You know, if you have $1,000 account, a 10-cent lot size ain't gonna blow your money. It ain't gonna blow your capital. But what it will do is help you ease into the bigger lot size, which is like $1 or something. You know, whatever your risk is. So it'll ease you in. So I hope you took from the video. I hope you got a little bit of knowledge. Excuse me if the audio was acting up, because I was having some computer audio issues at the time. So hopefully it wasn't too bad. But I think the information is valuable. You feel me? I think it's very valuable. And so I hope you guys take from it. Overcome that fear. Trade with abundance. When you back test and you know what you're looking for in the market like the back of your hand, when you know that, then you trade out of abundance. If you miss a trade because it takes off before a retest for you, if you are a retest trader, you don't worry about that because you have an abundance. Okay, you trade out of abundance. So that means tomorrow is another day. I'm not worried about the couple pips I missed today. I'm not worried about the 30 pips I missed today. I'm not gonna beat myself up over it. But what you say is, there's always another trade. It's 5.3 trillion in this Forex market. It's always another trade for you, just not today. Just not today. And so I hope you guys take to that and really understand that. It's really powerful. A lot of people don't talk about these type of things. They just want to talk about candlestick patterns and, you know, and all that stuff is good. It really is, but it's deeper than that. It's levels to this. So hope you guys like this video. If I drop some gems on you, please drop some gems in the comment section, some gem emojis. Please drop some fire emojis and some money emojis, all right? Whatever you want to do. Comment. I want to know in the comments below, you know, how many people had this fear? How many people had this fear? Because I really want to know the pulse of my community here on YouTube, because I really want to help you. All right, the more I know about you, you know, in your trading, not your personal life, but in your trading, the more I can help you. So that's why I want you to comment, because I really want to make content to help you. All right, don't forget to like this video, comment, subscribe, and let's make this money, baby. Peace.